Good evening, guys. This is Ken Bone, and I'm going to use my 15th and final minute of fame to do the intro for the Bodega Boys because this podcast is fucking lit. I know that you guys have been going through my tweets and you found some foul stuff. So, all I got to say is, you got to hear both sides. Also, how will workers that work with fossil fuels be affected by climate change? Yo, shut the fuck up, my nigga. Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. Yo, who let this nigga in here? Yo, did you call this guy to do the intro?
No.
Get this guy out of here, bro. Go on BuzzFeed or some shit, my nigga. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, what up, Bodega Boys in the building?
Yo,
episode 43.
That's right, 43. Ken Bone is an industry plant.
He is an industry plant.
Get him out of here.
We'll discuss him in other topics. As always, it's your boy, Yeezys Nice,
That's
a.k.a.
right.
Yo Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cereal, Chris That's Sling Dick, Eli Let Be, Boochers Colors, Slow But I Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Trace Fuego.
That's the guy.
Mr. Nando's with Orlando, 1994, Milk Call Going Off, the Juve Boss, MC Lyrical Gundu P, Pull Up from 40 Willie Shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber, I don't know you. The original, my +1 guy, +1, so don't make a fuss one. Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Jacoonery without the coonery. A.K.A. Shirley Lamone, reliever for the Yankees. Can't look A.K.A. Mr. La Marina, the Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. A.K.A. call me the 11th letter when I come through with that L.
Oh, my God.
You problematic babe. Wow.
The fucking ghost of Mufasa should be killing me every time.
I know.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the ghost of Ben Bossy. You know what I'm saying? I'll open your medicine cabinet. I don't care. Curve Gotti, Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? East Street, my Stevie B. You're my fantasy girl. You know what I'm saying? The plantain supernova in the sky. And if I'm at the party and there's multiple joints, call me Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you see me at Target, fam, I told you. Approach me like a fucking bear. An Ursine mammal. Yes. That's right.
That's right.
Swipe my motherfucking card again, dog. Put the plastic bag on it because it works. Estamos bajando heavy, papi, así que cuídate.
You know why we have so many nicknames? Because we're from the Bronx.
Yeah.
And when you get arrested, you want to have mad nicknames.
Mad alias.
So the cops get thrown off.
You know what I'm saying? It could be Hector Martinez, Omar Swanson.
You know, I want them when they look at my father. Man, is it Young Chipotle? Who is this? Is this Hot Take?
Is this day party? I don't know. Which guy is this?
What cell is Jermaine Avocado Toast in?
Yeah, call him crazy. And they go to the cell and there's just a fucking straw man in there.
Yeah.
Because you escaped.
I'm out. I dug a hole.
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
We should do Shawshank
It's under my
Redemption Part
leaf
2.
poster. Shawshank Redemption 2 or Rikers.
The sequel?
Yeah, well, as we try to get out, if they catch us, beat the shit out of us. Like beat us really bad Rikers style, like with pee and blood.
Ow!
That's not so much
I
fun.
need a new kid now. That shit sucks.
Could you, in theory, you could swim from Rikers. Nah, that water, I don't know.
Yo, shout out to fucking the shark from Mars Park. Do you know about this guy, the rapper?
No.
I swam home from Rikers. That's his thing. Shout out to him.
That's it.
It's very Bronx Central. Google that.
Oh, yes.
The shark from Mars Park.
That's a very Bronx reference,
Yeah,
my
shout out
brother.
to him. Yeah. But we out here.
Yo, a lot going on. Ken Bone. Twitter's trying to get him out the paint.
He got to get out the paint.
But here's the thing. You got to hear both sides, right?
Okay, let's hear about Ken Bone's sides.
All right. Now, shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to Red Bull.
All day.
Shout out to Narcan.
Holla.
Choach, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? What they're trying to be like, they said they found, like, because he
What did
said,
he say exactly?
He on Reddit, because, he's a nerd.
Yeah, of course.
Nerd.
Duh.
I'm on Reddit.
Yeah,
I'm Ken Bone.
If you're on Reddit, then you have said fucked up things.
Yeah. No, what he was like, he said that Trayvon Martin's murder was justified. But the way, like, the articles is framing it, they're acting like he came through and was like, yeah, he should have got shot more, little monkey
Little
coon,
nigger coon.
little nigger coon. Get him out the paint.
Right. But what did he say? He was
Just like, it's messed up. It was justified, but it's messed up. He said, like, typical, like, middle America white guy shit.
Yeah. I mean, typical middle American white guy shit is problematic.
Yeah.
Nowadays. You know what I'm saying?
True.
Sorry, guys. Y'all had a good run. Y'all had a great run.
You can't get Ken Bone out the paint for that. Ken Bone.
Ken Bone.
But you could you can get him out the paint for the fact that last week this dickhead didn't know who to vote for. And he was an undecided voter. That's how he was at the rally. Like, Donald Trump is out here for Newton the Cooch.
Like, for real.
Straight up.
Fam,
Straight
they're not
up.
even, it's like apples and oranges. Be like Hillary Clinton, you know what I'm saying? Even if you don't bang with her,
Right.
Nigga, like she knows how to fly the plane. Like
Hillary
she's
Clinton
been doing
is like
this.
working out. Like you don't really want to do it, but in the long run, it's
It'd be
better
alright.
than the
It's better than alternative.
Exactly.
Which is staying home eating fucking McGriddles all day.
quick death.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Smoking,
Chronic heart disease.
Smoking blunts, playing Xbox all day.
And
You know what
Ken
I'm saying?
Bone last week was like, I don't know. I'm
excited.
excited because I work for the coal industry and I'm an industry player. Should I vote for Hillary? I'm going to put on a red sweater. And because America's stupid. You saw this.
How'd they get the fucking turtle from Rocco's Modern Life into human form and ask him questions about society, nigga? How the fuck did they find this guy?
They fell in love with him. Why? Because he has on a red shirt
Because
and
his
a
name
chubby
is
face.
Bone, bro. They fall in love because his name is Bone, and America's so stupid. They're like, oh, Ken Bone's like a dick. It's like, Boner. Oh, Ken Bone. He's a funny voice. Oh, his
know what?
mustache.
I'm starting to feel like maybe America deserves Trump.
I mean, I feel like you do.
Burn it
because-
down.
Burn it down.
Burn this bitch
because,
down.
Yo, listen, if all you got to do to be successful and be popping is be a fat white guy with a stupid mustache,
Yeah.
like, come on, B.
I'm tight because me and Mero had to put in work.
Put a mad work.
We had to put in work.
Come on,
we had to
son.
wear makeup.
I tried mad different facial hairstyles.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
And this guy shows up with a red sweater
And a half zip.
Has like 200,000 Twitter followers.
Come on.
Yeah, he gave me none of
Fuck
fire
outta here.
tweets.
No fire tweets at all.
Got no John Lennon Migos tweets in the deck.
fossil fuels. Fuck out of here. Nigga.
Industry plant.
Industry plant ass motherfucker. Yeah, we should jump in, bro. Where's he at right now? He's probably gonna be doing some book signing or some shit.
Yeah, he gonna
like
write a
Barnes and
book.
Noble and Union Square. We should go watch this shit.
We're gonna fuck up Ken Bone. We're gonna beat the brakes off Ken Bone.
We gonna break a bone.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
We can start sending him just wild threatening messages, just broken chicken bones. He doesn't understand it.
It's like I don't understand, guys. I mean, is it because you're black and chicken? Oh, yo, word, Ken.
All right. See you, Ken.
Tight.
Ken.
Show's premiering on Monday. You know what I'm saying?
You excited?
I'm very
Jesus
hyped.
and Mero, Vice
I'm very
Land.
hyped. Yo, but BTS, you know what I'm saying? Like, we've been running through it. Like, it's light work. You already know.
You know what I realized? The show, because we're going to do it 4 times a week.
Right.
And then we do the art on Friday. The show is like kind of like suicide drills for the art.
For the art. Straight
So,
up. So,
know what I'm
y'all
saying?
better get ready because the HGH art is about to come. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got a whole squad of niggas.
I'm gonna come here, the fucking Jason Gion beat out.
Woo!
Can't even sit down in Red Bull Studios.
Yo, wait till
Gotta
we
stand.
Woo!
Gonna have to get a special microphone because my pec muscles are so
just
big.
just gyrating on the shit.
Just hear them pulsating through the mic.
Fuck.
Just my
It's like, what is that? Oh, it's these fucking huge pectoral muscle.
gains, bro.
Gains, bro.
You're gonna hear clanking of dumbbells as I'm
All
working
day.
out. Just lifting the 350 plate while Mero's doing
You know what I'm
jokes.
saying? Crazy. Eating a raw chicken breast. Don't give a fuck. Gains.
Gains. It's all about gains, bro. It's all about the gains,
Bro. Yo, shout out to everybody in Miami. Shout out to Miami Hive. Yo, we gonna go out there. We're gonna hit the health spa.
Yeah. Are you juicing?
KHH stuff. Nah.
Does Heather? You should get Heather one of those like ninja bullets or whatever. the
Ninja
fuck
bullets
the
and
shit
start
is.
like juicing and like doing healthy
Yeah,
shit.
not ninja bullets. You need a big joint. I forgot the name of it.
The
but-
NutriBullet?
Not the neutral. The big
shit?
the monster joint. Like you see it at Target when you come in. Like,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
They have that. All the hood bodegas have that now because they're selling.
They do smoothies.
Everyone in the hood does
Yeah. Natural
smoothies.
juices.
We're doing air quotes. You can't see it. Poppy, just because you throw 3 oranges in a fucking blender,
Come on,
that ain't a
fam.
smoothie.
Yo, Poppy will
At
throw
least take
lettuce
the
in this
seeds
shit.
out.
Like, no, Poppy, it's kale. It's kale.
Nah.
It's very lightning.
Take the seeds out.
No, Papi, it's good for you. This is has
Throw a whole
proteína.
peach in there.
Papi, este maldito moreno sabe.
Peach getting all chopped up and shit. You gotta strain it with your
You
teeth.
throw
Like,
plátano in this shit like, yo, like the peel, not even the plátano, like, just throw bad shit, grease from the grill,
Oh,
from the bacon,
shit.
egg, and cheese, like, it's
show up on
protein,
Sunday
Papi.
morning to give you ackee and saltfish, just blend it up. Drinking it with a spoon. Like,
Oh,
yo,
shit.
Auntie, I don't think this is.
No.
I don't think this is how it's supposed to
Why
drink
did you
it.
do that?
Yo, shout out to my auntie Patrice, who just walked by and gave me the wild,
Wild
dirty
side eye,
look
like,
while he was blowing it down.
little allergic for the ganja.
I saw the kid Mero and
Yeah,
Yeezys
that-
outside smoking.
Yeah.
You know, Mero
Wasting
didn't pick
life.
up his mother from the airport
She
yesterday.
didn't. It's a terrible sign.
Who picked up?
Who did pick up? My sister went to pick up. Shout out to Ingrid.
All right. Okay, cool.
Because the flight got delayed.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Her flight got delayed till like fucking 10.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, school night, mom. Sorry. You got to get the kids to bed. You got to do the art early.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying? She still gave me grief, though. You know
Of
what I'm saying?
course, of
Yo,
course.
this morning, I'm like, yo, my mom's just here visiting. It's lit. Like, she's going to wake up in the morning. She's going to help out. I don't got to do shit. So I'm laying in bed, and I go to go get her, and then she just hits me with the fucking, para eso sí soy buena yo. Pero para recogerme no, ¿verdad? Like, yo, like, yeah, word, nigga, you couldn't pick me up from the airport, but you want me over here watching scenes? All right, I see how you do. I'm like, yo, ma, come on. Then swiftly went back to bed.
Listen, that's how the game is.
That's how the game go.
That's how the game
goes.
go. You know,
you be watching.
You're always the child. And as an immigrant kid, you're always your parents' slave.
Always, bro. You can be 50 years old, don't matter. Y'all know. I know y'all can relate. Some of y'all, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all is 42 right now talking about, oh my God, I'm gonna be 5 minutes late to pick mom up.
Yeah.
So
yeah, my mother, she
feel
called.
that pain.
She called and was like, "Oh, are you doing anything on like November 13th?" I was like, "Why?"
Why?
And she's like, "I'm just looking at flights." And I was like, "Oh boy, here we go."
Happy Thanksgiving.
I was like, because she don't pick regular flights. She picks flights by like the dollar amount, and like if she could get $3 off the flight, but it comes in at like 4:33 a.m., she'll be the only person at JFK. Like, yo,
why are West Indian parents like this, bro?
Listen,
why do y'all wake up at 2 a.m. for a 7 a.m. flight? Like, what is going on, bro? Yo, niggas be at the airport a day early go to DR. Like, fam, I don't want to. This is mad. Yo, I can't even go to Shake Shack, bro. I got no bread. Like,
nothing worth you at the airport. Everything's closed. Everything is closed.
Why y'all here at 4 a.m.?
Shouldn't be at the airport that early.
Flights at noon.
Just do it, mad luggage. Just sit there waiting.
Mad luggage. And one of those luggages.
Your best clothes.
And your best shit.
Your best shit.
Your Gucci loafs. You crazy?
Your Burberry.
You know what I'm saying?
Baby father shirt.
One of
You got the Ferragamo belt.
One of those 20 suitcases is full of all your clothes that your mom secretly stole from you to give to all your cousins, and then y'all gonna have beef when y'all land. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, chill, that's my red polo hoodie, mom. I like that shit, man.
Nope.
No, you don't need that.
It's for Manuel now.
Yeah, Manuel's getting that. Damn.
Yo, shout out to Complex. They just dropped a list of the top 30 podcasts in the game.
Damn, yo, it's crazy. They put us like number 1, right? It's crazy.
Nah,
I didn't even see
We actually were not listed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, well, I told niggas early in the game, like, we don't do podcasts, we're doing art. You
True.
know what I'm saying? So it's
That's
like,
true.
it's kind of like, it's all right. Like, it's cool.
That's cool.
You think I'm a fucking idiot, dog? Respect me, dog.
Shout to Wale.
Shout to Wale to God. Nigga said, no, it's not it. He said, damn it, fuck you, dog. Fucking legendary, yo.
Legendary.
Yeah, I love it. It's funny because, like, yo, back when that actually happened, niggas is like, damn, that's wild.
We were actually at Complex.
You know what I'm saying? And, like, now I'm like, yo, I can see myself doing this.
Yeah, I can
you know
see
what I'm saying?
that.
I can definitely see you doing that.
Oh, you know. You know Jesus H. Fuego.
Fucking cool.
You know I'll be losing it.
Yo, don't compare me to this nigga, man. Come on, son.
Oh, shit.
See this nigga in an executive meeting talking about, don't compare me to this nigga, man. We not the same.
Listen, I'm passionate.
Yeah, he's a passionate guy.
I'm passionate.
You know what I'm
I'm passionate about the art.
Gotta be.
Shout out to Bodega Hive.
Shout out to Bodega Hive.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to my guy Theo from LA with the gears. You know what I'm
He
saying?
sent some stuff
with
to
the
Mero.
fire shirts.
He sent over the XLs. If you send us stuff, you should
Yo,
send like a medium.
Can we do a size right now? Yo, I'm an extra large.
Pause.
Pause. Problematic like thing. 38. You know what I'm saying? Might be 36. I don't know if you niggas got the denim on deck.
Who said your pants?
38, 34.
No one said in pants. What are you doing?
11 and a half, 12 in the shoe size, depending on the fit.
Yo, you can't use
7 and 3/8 fitted.
use the Bodega Hive to go back to school shopping, my G. You're not in Men's Warehouse. Yo, Mero's over here with the tape measure.
You like the way you look. Yo, that dude is mad creepy.
I guarantee. You know, he's not actually the.
He's not really the guy?
No.
Wow.
He's
scams.
a paid actor.
Scammers. Wow.
No, I'm a medium.
Oh, good luck.
I'm a medium. Somehow I shrunk in the last year. Because remember when
again, bro.
during MTV. Yeah. Well, yeah. During MTV2, I was a large. Mm-hmm. And now I'm a medium, but it's like muscle now.
Yeah.
You know, stuff.
This nigga's working out. Don't sleep.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm out here.
The right is strong.
Gains, brother.
This nigga go 12 rounds with you, nigga,
Right
like
now,
Bernard Hopkins.
listen, I go to a Christian gym. We lift Bibles
with Tim Tebow.
Gains, brother, for the name of Christ. Play a lot of Creed.
Yo, oh my God. Yo, I'm out of the gym if niggas start playing Creed. Like, I don't even fuck with the gym that heavy to begin with. So if you start playing, can you dare? Power
of Christ compels you, brother.
Oh, brother. When did you find out that shit was like Christian rock? Because it took me like at least a couple of listens to be like, what is this shit?
I had heard rumors.
This church rock?
I had down like I think like right away I felt something was not.
Like
if you hear a song and like everywhere, like it sounds like a love song, but instead of saying baby, it's like
Lord.
kind of weird.
Yeah, it's like
they're saying
ambiguous.
something else. Yeah.
Damn.
It's I just I just don't feel right about that.
Shout out to church music, yo.
Church music be rocking.
I guess y'all cool.
Shout out to Tim Tebow for praying.
Yo, he's really out here.
This
yo,
is
your
Dad's
man
gonna
is-
have to answer that phone call.
Come on, like Dad's gonna have to stop front on you because you're out here reviving niggas from the dead.
Wow.
Young Lazarus out here.
Tim Tebow is a Walt Disney movie. This is beautiful.
Yo, they're talking about making new 30 for 30s. If you don't make a 30 for 30 about this guy and the connection between him and a higher power,
Hot take.
You know what I'm
I think he's gonna deliver a baby during the next
He is.
season.
for real,
Yeah.
that's like a lukewarm take because like yo, this type of shit he's doing.
He's doing.
I'm expecting him to like ascend into heaven, nigga, like when he steps to the plate, type of shit.
I wonder if this was what it was like when Jesus was doing miracles and shit.
Everybody's
Was
like, yo, this
Was people just like
clowning him and shit.
like wow yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna pass me that bottle of water. Pass me that bottle of water.
Here you go.
Okay, check this out. Here,
Oh, it's wine.
nice little Pinot. You fuck with you like a Pinot Grigio?
That was cool.
You like it? What kind of wine do you like?
This Chris Angel ass nigga.
Nah, this is a miracle, man. Like Chris Angel's fake. That's like illusions. This is real. This is real wine. Taste it.
No, I'm good. Jesus.
All right, check this out. Look, come out to the pool.
Tricks all night.
No, come out to the pool. Come on, follow me. Come on. Come on. Look at this.
I'm out of here.
Look at this.
Yo, Judas, what you doing?
Look, y'all walking on water, nigga. Look, I'm walking across the pool. Look,
Jesus, we don't have time for this. Come on.
you can't walk. I'm walking on water right now, dog. I'm Jesus.
Why
live?
Jesus turned into like a Jewish comedian? Wait, what's he? You turned out like Howie Mandel.
Hey guys, come on.
Hey, it's me.
Son of Christ, come on.
JC?
JC, guys.
No, there was no newspaper. I guess people just had to like gossip about it. Like,
Yeah.
yo, you see that guy walking on water?
That dude's wild.
And then shit was just getting changed up and getting like misinformation. Like,
Damn.
yo.
Imagine he was just doing this shit like next to it, like on some like For the Road shit, like next to the nigga doing the Carmani and shit. Like
Yeah.
the dude with the fucking like
So niggas
shell
like,
game.
nah, that's a scam.
It's a scam.
That's a scam.
Why? Shit's fake, nigga.
Oh, you
Imagine
hear-
dude's hating on him like, shit's fake. Fuck out of here, nigga.
I've come to heal people.
Fuck out of here. This shit's fake, nigga. Yo,
No,
guy, look,
I
I got a pimple right here. Heal my shit. Fuck out of here, nigga. That shit was already healed. Fuck out of here.
Boo.
Whoa,
Boo.
she's
Get him outta
whack.
here.
She's whack.
Boo.
She's whack. She's whack.
Not valid.
Not valid. Miracles
Not valid.
is dick, nigga.
Dead
Fuck out of here.
ass.
Fuck out of here.
Boo.
Fuck out of here.
I just imagine Jesus getting like booed down for the road. He carried the cross, niggas throwing Timbs at him.
Oh, it's whack ass nigga, whack ass magic, nigga. Yo, fuck out of here, Uncle Magic. Fuck out of here.
Uncle Match.
Yo, fuck out of here. Niggas throw a death scroll at him, some fucked up shit, a rat from the garbage.
Oh shit.
Fuck out of here.
We have
man.
to reshoot the Passion of the Christ.
Passion of the Christ.
And that scene of Jesus going up and down Fordham Road with the cross. Just
Yeah.
getting whipped.
Oh my god, it's so foul. Who's Jesus?
Who we gotta get someone from the Bronx.
Yeah, right.
Romeo Santos.
Romeo Santos. Bang. Early.
Bang.
Early.
So nasty.
Yo, Romeo, holla. Why y'all whipping me? Oh my god. Yeah. Son las 5 de la mañana. These niggas whipping my nalga.
Oh, man. Oh God. Oh, this is
Shout
so
to Romeo.
blasphemous.
Oh, my
Blasphemous.
Oh, my mom would be livid.
Oh yeah.
She'd be like, I have to go to church this Sunday.
Oh my
I don't know my mom turned Jamaican, but she told me to go to church.
Did your mother go to church when she's up here?
Occasionally, like she'll front like she's like, oh no, I didn't go. Hi, I missed church. Oh my god, like nigga, shut up. You slept late.
You gotta do it like that.
You know
That's
what
how
I'm
you
saying?
gotta do that, man.
You know what I'm saying? Fake sorry. You got early to make the mango though. I respect you, mom.
Oh, she cooks when she comes
I
up
love
here,
you.
though.
Oh, you already know.
Yeah, my mother said it was
You
prior for that.
already know.
My mother, she come up now, she be like, yo,
Order me something.
what we getting?
Yeah.
I'm like, whoa.
She's like, yeah, you balling now.
I'm
You
like,
buying
what?
things. We eating out.
I'm like, what? Why we gotta be like that?
Yeah.
I'm not really used to women at my house like asking for food and I have to provide it because
And
you
you-
gotta be like, yo, you should have ate before you got here.
bro, I
Like,
told you. It was light refreshments.
all right?
No meals.
This young charcuterie with no cooterie, you know what I'm saying? No entrees.
Yeah. But
But
every
that's-
time my mom asks me for food, she does like the Countess Vaughn meme, like the little like, can I get a little bit of that? Can I get a little piece? Fucking.
But my mother, because she has the Jamaican guilt and she wants me to feel bad, she'll never get like an order for herself. She'll just, whatever I get, she'll take half.
She'll be like, oh, just.
But you know I'm not going to eat. I'll just give her the whole thing.
Right,
so.
right, yeah. They'll do it. They'll cut it perfectly in half too, like and like take a little smaller half. Like, oh
Yeah, I'm like, come on, lady.
come on, just eat the shit, nigga. Fuck
Eat it.
outta
Go
here,
ahead, man. Stop being difficult.
fronting. Stop fronting like you don't want to eat
what?
those shit.
Do you know Bailey's Irish rum cream?
Oh, okay.
My mother, she can't really drink,
Woo.
so she'll take like a couple of sips of that, and she's
lit.
out, out. She has like no tolerance. But there was never that in the house. But she was like gonna buy the knockoff one. And I was like, "Come on, lady."
on.
I'm like, "Come on,
Treat
man." I was
yourself.
like,
Don't
"You
treat
made
yourself.
this."
Yeah,
Like, yo, I'm gonna buy you the good $42 bottle, ma. Yo,
Word.
I bought her that like a year ago. There's like none left.
Oh shit.
And I have to go refresh it. And it's not from her. It's because of me swigging it at night. Like, on some Arthur shit, driving, fucking, and like touching on my sneakers.
Like it's warm milk.
Look at my life.
Nigga said Arthur.
I saw that on WPIX.
Oh my god, New York.
Oh, man.
Damn, that's
Police
wild, bro.
executed a search warrant at Earl Hogg's apartment on Walton Ave near East 184th in Fordham Heights
Oh,
and
shit.
found crack cocaine, marijuana, a semi-automatic pistol, a revolver, a stolen handgun, and numerous rounds of ammunition.
So basically, like
Damn.
every third dude in the Bronx crib.
But look at his
raid.
shits. He had the shits with the black tape on the ends.
Ooh.
Like he was ready for war.
Oh yeah, nah.
Yeah.
Y'all not finding him.
Yo,
He's like niggas. He's wrapping the tape around this shit like niggas. They finding me.
no Prince. No Prince. No Prince. A gun is a thing I like to fire. It's also known as a pistol.
Yo.
Shout out to Earl,
Shout out to
who's
Earl.
about to going to
Ready
be
for
charged with criminal possession of a weapon, criminal possession of narcotic drugs,
Damn.
criminal possession of stolen property.
Damn.
It's about to be.
But that's like the basic kit if you're selling krills. Like you need to have at
Yeah.
least 3 guns.
at
You know what
the
I'm saying?
minimum.
At minimum.
At the
and
minimum.
one of them got to be a revolver that don't jam.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So smart guy.
Listen,
You know what I'm
you
saying?
got to teach at the Be Excellent
The
Academy.
Excellent Academy. This
You
guy
know?
would have graduated magna cum burner. You know what I'm
Remember,
saying?
text jam easy.
You know what I mean?
You know
Jada
what I'm
told you
saying?
niggas.
Jada told you niggas.
Yo, Jada give niggas a lot of game
He did.
in his raps. You know what I'm saying?
Top 5 dead or
This
alive.
is off 1LP.
All right.
I was gonna say never. He said never take a bitch word over your man. I was like, damn. I was like, is that problematic?
Is it problematic and also true? Things can be two things at one
it
time.
Could be. Yeah, the world is not black and white. There's gray areas.
There's gray
You know what I'm
areas.
saying? Sometimes you can't take a bitch word over your man's.
There's gray areas. But you know what there's not? Gray hairs. Hi, this is Jesus Nice.
Hey,
We'd like to shout out our new sponsor, Just for Men.
just for men. Keeping our beard sexy and black.
We've joined the ranks of Walt Clyde Frazier. We've sold out.
And Keith Hernandez. Damn, with a new Clyde and Keith.
What if we start doing Just for Men ads here? Just for
with
Men,
it.
holla with us.
Yo,
If you
cut the check, bro.
You cut the check.
Yo,
We'll do-
listen, my-
Somebody was like that they enjoy our podcast for because there's no ads on it.
Okay.
And I'm sorry.
Yo, but listen.
Sorry, you got like 2 days left.
Come on. Yeah, but
We're
you know
selling
what?
out.
That's true. But we'll never do corny commercials. Or if we do them corny, we'll do them so corny and we'll like wink at you like, yo, we getting this bread though, so you should be happy for us. You should be happy for us because if you're not, you're really a hater. You know what I'm saying? Because we are a very inspiring Bronx success story.
We
you know
are.
what I mean? So if you don't fuck with us, then you're just a fucking wild dickhead like her shilling.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
saw him
Segway,
yesterday?
Pow.
Wow.
Finesse. Out here.
Look at
Gang.
that. Bow.
You know what I'm saying?
Professionalism. He was out there defending, being the
Yo.
wild chomo.
Yo, how do you
Yo,
say
first of all, also shout out to Vice Lad Legal who
Yeah,
sent
yeah.
the email
Yeah, y'all seen
that
it?
said
You can't call niggas child molesters?
we can't call
Someone of
people,
a third rail.
They said we can't call people child molesters. Have we ever called anyone a child molester?
I don't think so.
That's
I think
not
it was
on
the
brand
Ken.
for us.
Yeah, it was. I think it was the Ken Bone. I said a joke about Ken Bone, but it wasn't like saying like he is a child molester. You know
He
what I mean?
potentially could have child porn in his
His
possession?
on his alternate hard drive. You know what I'm saying?
his Linux laptop.
If he has Linux, he got child porn. If you got Linux, if you run a Linux, you got child porn on your shit.
I installed a Red Hat. Hello. We know about your ex.
Yo.
We know about your
See, we got
distro.
something for everybody, nigga. We had the barrel jokes, now we got the fucking Red Hat jokes.
Listen,
You're
we got-
fucking
we took
welcome.
with all the demos.
You're welcome.
We're cartwheeling through the demographic. No, Kurt Schilling was saying that, it's normal to see a young girl and be like, oh, I date her when I got older.
That is not normal,
That's
dog.
not normal, man.
That's not normal at all.
That's not normal.
Yo, and it's crazy because I'm sorry, it's wild. Apparently, wild is also a problematic term.
Why?
Whoever told me that in my mentions, please explain to me why that's a problematic term.
Wild is...
Yeah. I don't believe
Listen,
you. You need more people. But
we're trying to walk the thin line
Yeah.
between not being offensive.
Yeah.
But like, you gotta leave us some of our slang. We gotta have wild.
Come on, you gotta have wild. So like, but your man every time. First of all, he's talking to a woman,
Right.
On the shit, and is saying like, oh, you never seen a boy and been like, oh, he's a beautiful boy. He's gonna grow up to be a beautiful boy. I was like, first off, you fucked up by using the word beautiful because beautiful makes you feel like beautiful and sexy and whatever. Should have said handsome, nigga. Yeah. That could have helped you, you fucking worm. You know what I'm saying? But nothing is gonna help you because you're a fucking clown cake and you should never open your fucking mouth ever.
That's
you know what I'm saying?
wild. I mean,
like who? I never in my life have looked at a child and been like, yo, they're gonna grow up and be mad sexy.
right.
That doesn't even compute.
You might look at a child and be like, yo, they're gonna be tall or some shit.
yeah,
like
like yo, that nigga's gonna have a big ass head.
Yeah, it's like, yo,
Just like his fucking pops.
that's like somebody on Twitter was like, they hope that Nori grows up and has Northwest.
Right,
that
right.
She grows up and has Kim's butt.
What?
And it got flamed appropriately.
Of course you should. Like, what the fuck, bro?
wild
Kid's like
shit.
3 years old.
But also, Kurt Schilling is the
And
wild
also, she's gonna
scumbag.
grow up and have kids, but she could at any point.
She could just buy it.
She could just buy one.
Kurt Schilling is the wild scumbag. He lied about the bloody sock.
Bloody sock shoes,
I'm
ketchup.
a bloody sock truther.
I
It
know
was
ketchup when I see it.
MK Ultra. Ask Roseanne Barr about it.
That's right.
All right.
Look at her knee.
Okay. You're not low Kurt Schilling. You did not. That was not some sort of cortisone injection.
Nah.
That was ketchup.
Fuck out of here.
And if whoever bought the sock, you're a fool.
Oh, I'm a hero. I pitched.
I threw Boston on my back.
Oh.
Matt
Damn.
Damon jerking off to it.
Fucking jerk.
Right.
I imagine that shit too, man. Like, oh, Boston, oh.
Boston strong.
Boston got fucking tucked, nigga, in the playoffs. That niggas got tucked in. Go to bed, nigga. It's over for you. Big Papi leaving like a loser. Even though I respect him, shout out to you, the Lomeo Person 9 all day. You already know, DR, ha, ha, ha.
But-
I'm waving the flag. But never Boston.
27 rings, bro.
27 rings.
27 rings, bro.
Suck my dick from the back. You know
We'll be back next year.
what I'm saying?
Never count the Yankees out of it.
Never. Gary Sanchez, I'm predicting 65 home runs next year. It's not an overstatement.
Jesse Barfield was well spoken. It's Nick season though.
Next season.
Nick season
Let's
though.
fucking go.
Off the rip.
Off the
Yo,
fucking
fuck
rip.
you, Slam Magazine.
Yo. For disrespecting Melo.
Disrespecting the
How
Melo
dare
God.
you?
How dare you?
Yo, I've been trying to tell these
Yo,
niggas, bro.
I'll
Every
fight a
time.
nigga for Melo, man.
I'll take my shirt off and scrap with you right now.
Don't you ever disrespect the Melo God.
How dare you respect the franchise play of our hometown squad?
15?
Clown.
15?
Bro, this nigga said Blake Griffin. Blake Griffin. Stephen A. Smith had the wild appropriate reaction to this. Like, how you dare? Yo, Blake Griffin. Yo, shout out to Blake Griffin. If I ever see Blake Griffin take a ball coast to coast, and I'm sure somebody's going to be like, actually, but I have never seen Blake Griffin take a ball coast to coast and dunk it. Or pull up for 3. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there?
Yeah, let's hear this.
Was top 5 in the NBA. At his position, because there are 4 dudes at his position.
Stop.
I would take in a heartbeat over Carmelo.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
What?
You man's full. Yo, but get Max Kellerman out of here, bro. You're barred from talking about NBA forever.
Disrespectful.
Yo, I told you every time, go watch a fucking YouTube video, man. Carmelo Anthony, attention to detail. It explains to you, if you understand basketball, you understand that Carmelo's unguardable one-on-one, fam. Nobody could guard him. Niggas came on mention yesterday. Jab, Fedora. Niggas came on mention talking about Kawhi Leonard is better than Melo. Yo, suck my dick. You crazy? Kawhi Leonard. That nigga keeping straight backs alive in 2016. Nah, were you crazy?
Teach these devils.
Yo, Kawhi Leonard is a one-dimensional player. He plays defense. You know what I'm saying? Sure, yeah, okay, he could get loose for 20, no doubt. But that's not his game, son.
No going off.
You know what I'm saying? Melo is an offensive animal, a beast, a machine that cannot be stopped by double teams. You know what I'm saying? So, respect the God. You know what I'm saying? That's right.
That's beautiful.
That's right.
That's beautiful.
Squad.
We're not friends this year.
We're not weird. That's right. Like Lupus said, we're not fucking friends out
not
here.
friends out here.
We're not friends out here.
Knicks tape out here.
Knicks tape all day.
All day.
Get down or lay down.
It's Knicks nothing.
Oh. Can't wait for them Chris Stapps put back dunks on your fucking favorite.
Amped.
Oh.
Going to the game on Saturday night.
Woo.
Nigga.
About to fight somebody outside for no reason.
You know what? This is the best part of the Knicks season.
It's the beginning.
It's the beginning.
So optimistic.
It's like a new relationship.
Yo, it's like,
You're like,
yo.
oh, roses.
Shorty's bad, yo.
Yo, I love. Yo, you
Oh,
on her
man.
Instagram? You're like, I'm so lucky. Damn,
she's so
this,
bad.
yo, I can't believe this.
Yeah.
I'm with this.
Yep.
Yo, this is gonna be. This is the one right here, man.
Yep.
Yo, I can't. Oh, we're gonna do
Yep.
things.
So great.
Go see the accountant.
Yo, it's gonna be so dope. Yo.
Dope. Oh, my
Next thing go see
shorty.
the gun.
And then what happens? maybe 10 games in.
You know what I'm saying?
10 How many games? How many Nick L's did it take for you to be like for the Coke dream
to me it's the All-Star game.
The All-Star game?
Like the All-Star game where the playoffs are shaking out, like where the Knicks at. If we at the All-Star break and the Knicks are like 15 games out of the playoffs, I'm like, yo, this fuck it.
if they lose the first 10 games of the season,
It's like doom and gloom.
Like you could still watch.
In a row though? Like
in a row, straight off. They lose the first 10
That's
off the
misery.
rip.
Yeah.
Like the Coke dream goes down.
Yeah,
and
it does.
Then the relationship ain't so hot anymore.
Yeah.
Now it's like
That's like, yo, fire Jeff Hornacek. Fire Jeff Hornacek.
like, yo,
Like, get him out of here. He's trash. Meanwhile, now we like, yo, nigga's a genius. Yo, he's gonna take us to the promised land.
go for the triangle.
Gonna run the triangle.
It's gonna be great. I want to talk about
Yo, the triangle.
Derrick Rose is gonna be good. I don't want to talk about anything else about Derrick Rose. La, 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 la. Joakim Noah is gonna be healthy. He got injured.
He got injured,
Yeah.
but you know, he'll be all right.
Right.
Yo, come on the show, my nigga. Come on, please.
Come on, Yeezys and Mero.
Do I got a bag?
Please, Joakim Noah. Please. Is it because of our tweets about you? Ignore those.
Yo.
We were broke.
Yeah, come on. So we broke and angry. Come through, holla.
Come on, holla.
Now I feel like niggas, like if people don't know who we are, it's more like they know who we are, but they're fronting and not, they really have no idea who we are. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I feel like we're on that level of poppingness.
I think
Like
so.
if you don't know about us, you're purposely avoiding us. And you shouldn't. You should accept this into your lives. Accept the light.
Well, I respect that. Like, if you were never fucking with us, and like now, like we're popping and we're everywhere,
And you want a bandwagon and shit?
you just be like, yo, I don't want to jump on the bandwagon now. Fuck it. I've been a hater. Let me remain a
Let me
hater.
okay.
I respect it. If you're a hater, like there's people on Twitter who Twitter's like, hey, you should follow this person. And I'm like, yo, Twitter, like we've both been on Twitter since 2009.
Yeah.
We've never followed each other. Clearly we don't fuck with each other.
Right,
we
right.
know of each other.
Yeah.
But
Oh, there's a lot of people like that.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
nigga,
Like-
you don't follow me, I don't follow you. Fuck out of here.
Fuck that.
I'll be petty, I don't care.
I like my tweets.
I think they're good.
I think I'm happy with them. So I don't know what's going on over there.
Clearly the general
You miss-
public thinks as well.
You
so-
missing out. Yo, shout out to Stevie T.
Stevie T?
Stevie, yeah, he ran out. I ran into him outside.
Oh, shit.
He was like, yo, Jesus. We took a picture. We took a picture of
Hey,
the snap.
shit. Hey, Stevie T. Squad.
He's out here, Bodega Hive.
Is he from the Bronx?
I don't know.
Okay.
He's young.
All right.
He's young.
Shout out to you.
But he had on like Mad Supreme shit and shit.
All right.
He was out here. He's
Hey,
a
hey.
hype beast. You know what I'm saying? Not hype beast, but he
Yo,
was
what
like,
if you would have been taking a snap?
and the fucking bang on my
Babe,
chest, nigga,
bang on my
knocked-
chest because her eyes like,
knocked
yo,
me
fuck
out?
Supreme. He would have got watched because I would have pulled up. Oh, man, it would have been epic.
We would have fought the baby.
I
I don't got any beef with him.
I don't got beef with him neither. I'm just saying, like, in washability terms, like, yo, those when he got jumped by those 5 guys outside and they couldn't wash him,
Right.
I was like, damn,
Yeah.
you niggas got no fucking squabble
I'll
points.
watch him if he try to get between me and my Supreme proxies. You know what I'm saying? When I'm loading up that bot.
Yeah.
Yo, Yeezy drops tomorrow, the chocolate 750s.
Yeah?
You're not gonna get a pair.
You're not. Just give up.
Nah, shout out. There's people out there that be cooking out there.
Yeah.
There are people.
What are the odds? Like, if you had to put a percentage on it, like, what is the percentage chance that your average person could get a pair of these?
It's
sneakers?
very low. Very
10%, 5%,
Nah, I wouldn't even put it that high.
1%,
1%,
or like a weird decimal percentage, like
maybe I think a 1% is like a good.
like the amount of votes Jill Stein got.
Oh, whoa, Flame Jill,
Flame
whoa.
Jill. Shout out to Jill Stein.
You've
though.
been
Shout out-
flamed, sponsored by Hebrew National Franks. Hebrew National Franks, we answer to a higher authority. Damn, you just shot at Joe Scott.
Yo, shout out to
Joe Scott. I said Joe Scott.
I fuck with Jill Stein and Jill Scott. They should collab.
Living my life like it's golden.
Living my life like I'm Jewish.
That is that golden song. That's like the official Happy Black Woman anthem.
Oh my god.
That's like Carefree Black
That's
Girl.
like Sundress skipping
Yes.
down, like
I got
Lennox, like
my twist out is popping.
what? About to go to
what I'm
fucking
saying?
Everyday People barbecue,
Oh,
nigga. What?
shit.
Little Makosa.
You know what I'm saying? got a
Man,
purse you
Sandal
might
was
have
scented.
got a purse you might have thrifted.
You know what I mean?
You know, that shit is right.
About to go buy some beads and shit. You know what I mean? Make some jewelry.
Okay.
Some
Got no
jewelry.
man problems because you don't need no man.
You don't need no man.
All right.
Okay.
You gonna go chill with your homegirls, your real friends.
You know what I mean? And you already got Essence Fest booked.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all real sisters.
You're real
Not in
sisters.
that nasty future way.
Yeah, Which, by the way, is very disrespectful.
To women.
Misogynoir.
Real sisters.
Real
I don't
sisters.
give a fuck. They're real sisters.
Can we start an R&B group called? Nah, that's not good, right? Misogynoir?
No, you have a band already.
Oh,
I
that's
think
right.
in like episode 6 we made it.
Okay, Misogynoir. Yeah, we out here.
Because it was
Black metal?
Yes,
black-
it's an all female
Black.
rock band, and I
Okay.
sit there. I'm on stage with my mouth covered with electrical tape
Right.
because I'm silenced.
No erasure. Yeah, okay. No.
Black man is not erasing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
We only uplift and empower you,
That's all we do.
my beautiful queens.
All we want to do, listen, my queens, all we want to do, you know what I'm saying? Support your dreams and make
Support
you
your
come.
dreams, girl.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Yeah, support your dreams and make you come. That's popping.
That. I mean, isn't that the goal?
I mean, really? If we
listen,
be real adults, that is the goal.
If that's not your relationship goals,
Then it's not popping.
I'm saying
That's
that's what
true.
I want someone to do that for me.
That's real.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? I appreciate that.
You know, shout out to my secret boo in Mississauga.
Hey. You know what I mean?
I'm having immigration issues, so I haven't been able to come back Ponyard.
Oh, well, you know, I'll be back soon. Man, road man,
I'm
damn.
gonna put myself in a barrel.
Trust me, daddy. Yo, Drake. I want to hear Drake do like a whole Jamaican. He did
it's
like
coming.
he was like on a. I don't follow him on Snapchat. I guess I should. I
I don't follow him either. I don't follow a lot of guys
I
on
don't
Snapchat.
follow anybody on Snapchat. Really.
You don't follow anyone on Snapchat?
I don't think so.
So
I
are you
follow
just-
like a couple girls.
You just taking snaps and just sending them out in the void?
No. Actually, you know, I do follow some people, but it's like 10 people,
Oh.
so I could actually read it. So shout out to y'all if I follow you.
But what about Drake's Snapchat?
He's like I seen a snap of him with a Jamaican dude. The Jamaican dude was like, yo, official like Jamaican, you know what I mean, like little patois shit. And then Drake came out with the wild like McDonald's fucking Shotas Part 5, like wild. Like I listened to 2 Ninja Man songs, like, and I learned these 3 words. I felt so bad. But yo, your man's a millionaire, so shout out to him.
Yeah, he's fine.
Shout out to Drake.
He's fine. He doesn't have many problems.
Drake don't got no problems, man.
He ain't got no problems.
Chilling, man. This nigga's like smash whoever he wants to smash. Shit.
You know what's fucked up though? If he's like really sickly in love with Rihanna.
I mean, you
Shit.
get over it.
I mean, but no, because like if there's that chick you really want and you
yeah,
can't have them, like you can have all the other chicks in the world, but you
Yeah.
don't have that one,
Yeah.
the one. Now you're just walking around the mansion lonely,
Man sad like
mad sad, dragging your feet on the.
To the world. If not, you are the prototype. Nigga just mad sad, drinking the fucking kombucha, listening to that shit.
Walking through in your kimono is open. Grammys like
Let's go to the movie. It's a very romantic song, even though it made no fucking sense.
what was that? Andre
Yeah,
3000.
the prototype shit.
Andre 3000 never gave us an album.
No.
But yet people keep him on their top rankings.
Yeah.
What's that
Up
about?
for rap.
What's that
I'm
about?
like, yo, as far as I'm like, yo, he's definitely like one of the most innovative, creative, boundary pushing artists.
Right.
But like niggas be putting him in top 5 like rappers, like for bars.
top
Like,
5 dead or alive.
yeah, like what, nigga?
Jada or Andre 3000?
Jada, like, are you crazy? I never heard of Jada verse, and I was like, what does that mean?
Woo,
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Like-
the internet gonna hear this.
So y'all could be mad. I'm a New York nigga. What you mean? I got the fucking niggas would confiscate my Yankee fitted if I was like, yo, Andre 3000 with the football pads and a white wig.
I own too many Tims to
Yeah,
say Andre
to be like,
3000.
yo, come on.
Gotta keep it. Listen,
Yo, have you
Andre
ever heard
never-
a whack Jada verse?
No, nah.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah.
Have you ever heard a Jada verse that'll make you go like this? I'm making the constipated face.
Yeah.
Oh, like damn.
I mean, Jada taught us how to cook crack on the Foreman
Come
grill.
on, son. I teach you how to stretch coke in the middle of the ocean on a mean duplex boat.
Listen, the bathtub lifts up, the walls do a 360.
Come on,
we
look
got
at
the
it.
shit that the
The
government
government
got.
Woo, nigga.
Jada.
Come on. That nigga be saying shit that I'm like, I didn't even know what it is, but I know it's fire. Nigga said, look here, there is no competitor. Nigga said Z9 with the spaceship doors that open up regular. I was like, I don't even know what that means, but it's just sounds hard as fuck.
Listen, that's the boy, man.
Woo! J to the moi, kiss you now, you die later. It's God.
Oh man,
He got
remember
so
when
many bars.
he was like, never keep the razors and plates under the cabinet.
Yep.
You know, simple shit like that.
Simple.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man.
You can get further in life using manners. Not only are these cell phone taps, they're using scanners.
Oh!
Never use your own address, use your nanas. And if you ever have to pull it out, use your hammer.
Woo!
Yeah, white paper or Dutch it. Automatic or clutch it.
Woo!
Once you put it away, don't touch it.
Damn.
Jada. And he can break that. So
And he get top 5 windmill. I know y'all seen that.
we all seen that.
Yo,
Mero selling candy
I'm doing a fundraiser actually, like
for
the
his
school
kids.
fundraiser.
So I don't know how we can sell we're gonna have a telethon on here.
I figured out. Yo, you can PayPal me at the Kid Mero.
We don't do PayPal. We discussed this, Mero.
Oh, PayPal's wash.
PayPal's
We
wash.
have to do Venmo. We're cool now.
Venmo is the cool
Venmo's
thing.
cool, guys.
You're dressing like a cool guy now.
I got a little cool
You
guy
have
swag.
to- You
know what I'm
gotta,
saying?
you gotta,
Got the
you know,
thermal.
get with the
I
Venmo.
don't know what I'm doing right
You
now.
can't be doing that PayPal. PayPal's for scammers.
It is, right?
Scammers, and not like cool Brooklyn scammers. Like
Speaking of scammers, shout out
what
to Ella
happened?
Bands.
Something happened to Saxo?
This is like Black Twitter, very deep
the deep cut.
scammer news.
Okay.
Ella Bands, scammer from the hood, is now pregnant by A Boogie with the hoodie. Flybridge zone, hybrid zone.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean
that's
like
that's
like third page of Bossip.
Wow, not even. That's like that's a subdomain. That's like Bronx.bossip.com. Their new site where it has low traffic. Nigga gave. Listen, don't be coming out here with entertainment vibes news and shit. You fake sex boogie. This nigga interrupted. Someone was giving out shout outs at the sex. Someone was giving out shout outs at the Poconos ski trip, and Mero came in with that news. What kind of Project Hallway gossip was that?
Yo, son, nigga said sex boogie. Yo, shout out to the sex boogie.
I was really sitting here like I thought she was gonna say it. Like I know one of the people in there, but the other one is like,
who is that? I didn't know who it was.
Is that a scammer? Is that a famous scammer?
Yes.
I'm not up on my scammers.
Shut the lips.
Because I'm an old school scammer. You know what I'm saying? I'm an old watch Lennox Lounge.
Yeah, check busted ass nigga.
I'm a check busted ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? I was in it and done with it before y'all was through with it. You know what I'm saying? All right.
Y'all niggas on that computer
Y'all don't know
shit.
about that shit. Y'all don't know. All right.
Putting that real paperwork in.
You don't know about the paper cuts, daddy. I had to use Razak lotion to keep my hands soft.
I mean, is scamming the new like selling crack? I feel like everybody in the hood is scamming. Like, because I don't even know the type of time that you do for scamming. Because, like you said, we're old school scammers. Like, I'm a booster. You know what I'm saying? Like, right. I don't know about like busting, doing credit cards and all that crazy shit.
If you do scamming right, you can face some very, very serious time.
Damn.
As you should, because you're fucking up people's lives.
I mean, that's true. That's true. Yo, you are fucking up people's lives. Because I got scammed by two Dominican dudes who I found out because I got the letter in the mail from like the federal court system being like, yo, Aneldi so-and-so and fucking Pablo Sandoval are being charged with however many counts of like identity theft and fraud and shit. I'm like, damn, these niggas are doing time. Because I'm like, if I'm getting this letter, there's like hundreds of people getting this letter. So y'all niggas about to go down.
People don't scam you if you're just using if you're fnooting and bamboozling on one account, you're not really doing it.
You're not really doing it.
But people who got the multiple cards on deck, or you on the dark net buying the fucking a zip file with like 25,000 full profiles with SS numbers and the VVC, that shit on the back. You know what I'm saying? Not saying I do that, you know what I'm saying? But
that's like 20 years, right? 20 years? 25 years?
20 years? Like more, because they changed that after 9/11. So it's like some
sort of, right, yeah.
That 9/11 changed
the game.
Changed up the scam game.
Fucking A-Rad's running fucking plane to the building, coke price.
So before it was like you get caught, it'd be like a slap on the wrist and shit. Now, they could charge, that's like a felony, like using someone else's card. Listen, kids, don't scam.
Yeah, keep scamming.
Get yourself an honest job.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you really want that Montclair, nigga? Go work at McDonald's. You know what I mean? Don't use Evelyn Rubin outside credit card because they're going to catch you.
Start a podcast and get a show on Viceland.
Maybe you could do that.
That's all you got to do.
Maybe you could do that.
How hard is that? If we could do it, y'all could do it.
No, you can't.
You're sitting on your couch.
You can't do it.
Just call 1-800-VICELAND.
Just call 1-800-VICELAND. There is a number to call, though. What's the number to call? I keep saying 1-800-233-97 to leave a voicemail and holler at us about the show and shit.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
We're not taking suggestions. We're getting a lot of suggestions that are bad.
Yeah, no.
You have to have some sort of experience. We don't need suggestions. We have Eric Reinholm. Like, he's the creator.
Yo, word.
He's the Matrix.
Shout out to the God. Shout out to Eric the God.
God,
he got the restaurant and shit, and they got the restaurant on deck.
Out here.
You know what I mean? Shout out to me.
We're out here, checking and decking as we...
Checking and decking.
Checking and decking.
That's the new Clyde. You're ready for this just for men shit,
my nigga. Shit, man. Just someone give me a cow print fucking suit. I will be out here. I will be out here, yo. Whoever cuts the check, I could be a sponsor for anything. Mero got the kid on the way.
All day.
Come on, somebody should sponsor the bird, man.
And I told y'all niggas, I'm a humble, simple guy. All I want to do is drive a Lambo around Florida, mad high. So if you could make that happen, and you got luxury car rental service, holla at your boy.
All right, you should get like somebody. You get like is there a birthing channel? What's the channel for like babies and shit?
Channel?
Not the channel for babies, but the channel about babies.
About babies?
Is that like TLC? They have like a show about babies.
Yeah.
There's like a mom channel, right?
Yeah. There got to be a mom channel. There is. I forgot what it's called, but it's
right. They should follow Heather around. For this and sponsor it and go on the visit.
It'll be the only show
with diapers and shit.
It'll be the only show on the network rated TVMA. It just says strong language.
I love it. I come through while I was drunk and shit. We're like, yo, Heather, yo, can I scream at the baby through your stomach? What up, little nigga? He's Jesus, stop.
Stop.
Jesus, stop.
Adrian, are you fucking kidding me? That's fire.
Ow. Yo, Mero, you got the loud. You can smoke around the baby, right?
Yeah,
The baby's
it's all good.
right?
Yo.
Yo. Playing Heather's stomach like a bongo, like.
Hey. Oh, damn. Speaking of babies, 6-week-old baby dies after falling down elevator shaft. Damn.
Sad world. Where was that at? In the Bronx?
In Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
The building's faulty elevator was.
How old was the baby?
Oh, the baby's mother accidentally pushed her stroller into an empty elevator shaft.
Ooh.
No!
Oh, damn. That's dark.
Oh.
Wow, you feel that more because you have kids.
Oh, I feel for the mom, like, too.
Yeah.
Like,
see, even, like, because in my head, I'm like, damn, that's fucked up. But now you're going through all the emotions, like the mom. You're thinking about losing probably one of your kids, how you feel, how Heather would feel.
Bro, so troubling.
I'm thinking about my Yeezys tomorrow.
Yo, damn, that's mad troubling. Yo, because Shorty feels mad guilty now. She's like, yo, it's my fault. You know what I'm saying? I should be more careful.
Yeah.
She's gonna have PTSD. Maybe she shouldn't. If you're gonna have PTSD, maybe you shouldn't be over here making fucking little babies. Okay.
All right, Donald Trump. Damn, that was dark. What made you just?
That was just a Twitter moments. Shout out to Twitter for putting Six Sack World out here.
Six
early.
Six Sad World. Damn. I'm usually the one with the 6 Sad World shit.
Yeah, that just jumped out at me like, ew.
Yo, you know who died?
Who?
Tommy.
He really.
Tommy died.
Damn. He really did. It wasn't Anthony Anderson. Anthony Anderson pump fake like 6 times.
Yo, Anthony Anderson, he got the. Listen, it happens on Twitter.
You can't pump fake a nigga's death, bro.
You want to be the first person to announce a death, but you want to be able to confirm it.
Yeah.
And Anthony Anderson didn't realize that, like, yo, like, he is now a credible source. Because then TMZ was like, yo, Anthony Anderson said this shit.
And it said in mad little letters, it was like, Tommy from Martin perishes. And then the other was like, says Anthony Anderson.
Says Anthony Anderson, like, yo, we got this from him.
Yo.
And
He's
he
a
deleted
reliable
that tweet,
source.
like, yo, that's fucked up, though, man.
Damn.
Tommy.
Damn, dog. Our heroes are dying one by one.
All right, I wouldn't go that far. All right. Hero is a strong word. Like, me and you are heroes because we got out the Bronx, but Tommy's a hero. You know what? The physical comedy on Martin's very underrated.
Very good.
Very underrated.
Yo, people sleep on that shit a lot. Like, it's not. It takes a lot of talent to be able to do that type of stuff.
To do everything they did and just like in one room.
Oh, come on.
You know what I'm
all
saying?
the characters Martin doing 6, 7 characters. Like, yo, that's why I respect the shit out of Eddie Murphy, Martin Lawrence, like a lot of black comedians that did all that shit. Like, you know how hard, bro, we've done shit where we have to read lines and it's like, I'm me and you're you.
Yeah.
This nigga's playing 8 different characters and has to do all these lines. Shout out to you, yo.
And then Gina and Pam,
you know
with
what I'm
the
saying?
timing and everything.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to y'all.
It's a good show.
Classic sitcom.
Shout out to MTV too.
Shout out to MTV for buying every single fucking episode.
You can watch it right now. Turn it on right now.
Turn it right now.
Right now.
I guarantee Martin is on. Guarantee. You know,
I know they saw Tommy died and they were like, that's fucked up. Yes.
We get more money now. Yes. Do they restructure the contract after the dude dies to redistribute the money? Is that how it works?
No.
It goes to his estate?
No. What money?
They don't get like residual checks from reruns? They gotta get rerun checks. They don't get rerun checks?
Think about deals that you signed. Like, you're not, they might not be getting residuals on it like that.
That hurts. That hurts.
Who knows what kind of contract they signed? You think you think fucking Gina from Martin gets a check every time the shit runs on MTV too?
No, but like some type of royalties. Something. Like a percentage of points.
She might get an MTV2 t-shirt.
Oof.
Invited to the Woodies.
No, not from MTV2. From whoever
distributes it?
Yeah, whoever distributes it.
I mean,
yeah, we on Hollywood shit now. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Sorry.
I know how to show it.
Sorry, I'm still a newbie. Still trying to figure out how it works. I'm still trying to figure out this whole thing. Yo, shout out to your man Ben Carlson.
Did he say All Lives Matter yet?
He been said.
He probably has, right?
He been said that. No, he said, and I quote, "It does not matter whether they're lying or not about the women accusing Donald Trump of sexual assaults.
Wow.
Facts don't matter.
Wow.
Shout out to the Trump campaign for basing their whole campaign off this art.
Yo.
Facts don't matter.
Y'all gotta pay us, man. We invented this shit. Y'all gotta pay us."
Ben Carlson says the nation's decline is more important than old allegations of misbehavior. Ben Barson firing out here.
Wow.
Talking about doesn't matter.
Wow.
Doesn't matter if Trump grabbed their pussies.
Speaking of grabbing pussy, did you see the fucking MAGA mom yesterday with the Trump can grab my pussy?
Yeah.
Wow. See,
I mean,
why y'all do? You don't do that. You set women back when you do shit like that, man. Come on.
I mean, gotta hear both sides because she is in the context providing consent. So
okay.
she's exercising her agency
Okay.
as a woman to decide.
Yo, there's so much levels to wokeness, nigga.
Man,
It's like
I'm
52
woke.
hand blocks.
You
like,
see me? I'm woke as shit right now, nigga. Nigga, I'm levitating.
Yo, it's the
yeah.
wokest.
But you know what's whack about that? Like, she wants Donald Trump grabbing her pussy. You want to have sex with Donald Trump? You know. Listen, he don't got
Donald
the
Trump is
he don't got the Ken Bone stamina.
No, not have the
you don't
stamina.
have the
Tiger
Ken
Bone. Ken Bone. Qué gana sexy bailando Ken Bone. Ken Bone.
Ken Bone needed to come out with a line of dick pills before it's all said and done.
Yeah, for real.
I'd buy that. I'd buy like a Ken Boner.
Ken Boner?
Nah, if he says it's boner, then I'd be like, nah, that's corny. If it's just called like bone,
Yeah.
Ken Bone.
K-Bone.
K Bone. Oh shit, K
Out here.
Bone. That sounds like a Hawaiian radio station.
Hey, you're not listening to K-Bone. We're playing the best. Why is Hawaii Jamaican now? I'm bugging. I'm
Listen,
smack.
island is island.
Smack City.
Shout out to everyone that got survived Hurricane Matthew.
Yeah. Word. Shout to y'all. I mean,
Okay.
damn, Haiti got hit hard, dog.
They did. Shout out to Haiti.
Shout out to Haiti, yo.
Pray for Haiti.
All my Zoes, you know what I'm saying? Hold your head, you know what I'm saying? Send your money over there. Do not send money to Red Cross. Some niggas are scammers.
Scammers.
You know what I mean? Joanna's over there manning the phone.
C'est passé. Her and Wyclef.
Yeah, her what? Niggas looking for, hey, I'd like to donate. How much would you like to donate? $200, please. Iconic. Thank you.
Joanne the
Phone.
scammer.
Scammer, yo.
No, we've had a loss in my family because of the Hurricane Matthew.
That's right.
My parents lost their proprietary.
Damn. R.I.P. Proprietary.
Yeah, my mother was very distraught about it.
Proprietary. Yo, papayas are delicious, man.
Yeah, they have to buy a new one. That's what their big beef is.
Oh, okay, right.
Almost like-
You can't just replant it? It got just knocked over?
Who knows what happened with them?
That shit, for your parents to be like, yo, we have to get a new
one?
one instead of
It
trying to
had
fix
to-
the old one.
That means
That's
it-
just probably in the
it had
neighbor's
to fly
yard. Like,
away.
yeah, it flew away.
They had to fly away. Low key, I know my father's just gonna steal someone else's. Just hear the wild backhoe at the middle of the night, like boop boop boop. Move, self, move.
What are you doing, sir?
Move.
Sir,
Move, no.
Mr. Baker, what is going on?
Move, no, move,
Sir,
move,
sir.
move.
Why do you have a backhoe? This is a gated community.
This is my papaya.
No, this is Melvin's proprietary, sir.
Oh,
I'll get into the wild fight with Melvin Goldstein over proprietary.
My father's wearing a Memphis Bleaks promo T-shirt.
Yo,
Still fits.
and like your old Uptowns from like fucking '98.
The blue and white Carolina was.
Bro, I see my pops come through in like January one year, and they pop out with a fucking bear coat with the bear jacket. I was like, nigga, where did you find that?
I'm like, yo, I'm pretty sure I threw that away. Because I'm wasteful.
Yeah.
Wasteful.
Oh my God. My parents,
Yo.
all the niggas talk about, yo, son, your coat's at the arm. Like, they don't need a steep tech.
In a new segment on the show we like to call Desus Reviews Movies,
Wow. Let's talk
I
about
saw
it. What'd you
Girl
say?
on the Train.
Oh, okay.
No spoilers.
No spoilers. Thank you. Appreciate you.
That movie was the height of peak cocacity.
Okay.
It was just, listen, man.
Can you explain to me without spoiling it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Like I gotta tell you, it's like the
Hit
first
it with it. Hit it with it.
first 30 seconds. Basically, it's like this lady on the train.
Uh-huh.
Has a girl on the train.
Okay.
Duh,
Right.
duh.
Yeah.
But like she's like daydreaming and shit. It's basically about white curiosity.
Okay.
About white people not minding their fucking business.
Okay.
And just, you know.
They know
just like-
curiosity killed the cat.
They did.
You know what I'm saying? So, supposed to kill the Yakubian.
I'm not saying what
I'm
happens.
gonna say
in
what
the movie.
happens. Okay.
Also, it's like a long ad for the Metro North.
Were they on the quiet car the whole time?
No, but the lady's like leaning against a lot, like against the window and shit. Oh, shout out to all my Metro North riders
Shout out
who
to Metro
saw
North.
the movie and was
Squad.
like, Ardsley on Hudson is not a real place. That's not a real town.
Would have been more realistic if this stopped at Brewster.
Also, the trains on this car don't actually run on the Hudson line.
That's the blue line. This is the red line.
Also, her train is passing through Rye at 10:59, and everyone knows the train is not at that. That's an express train.
That's an express train. Those are peak hours.
If you're gonna do a movie about the Metro North, at least get them right. All right, don't just use it as background attraction. Some of us take the train very seriously.
Yeah, shout out to fucking Jonathan Strauss, the optometrist from fucking Scarsdale.
Right at this angry Yelp review letter. I thought Girl on the Train was going to be a love story about the Metro North and me.
It's actually a nightmare. That was very inaccurate.
It opened up and it just got worse and worse. I mean, what track is the train pulling into? Track 217? I'm sorry. Excuse me. The tracks end at 113. Are we gonna be real? Or are we just making things up?
No, it's not historically inaccurate.
Pardon my language, but I was tight as heck watching this movie. My kids were confused. They take the Metro North every day, and now they think their life is a lie.
Oh my god.
Also, the girl in the movie, I thought was damn. I don't even
What's
know.
her name?
I thought it
You
was,
don't know her name?
I don't know her name. I thought it was Shorty from damn.
There's like 4 white actresses that fit in like my Harrison Ford theory of like Harrison Ford, Robert Redford, Richard Gere, I don't know, all the same guy.
Mm-hmm.
Emily Blunt. Fuck, you know what it is? I don't know all their names. They're not so famous. I don't know their names, but there's like 5 that look exactly.
I thought
the same.
Jennifer Lawrence was in the movie.
Okay, that's
It's
one of them.
not.
She's one of them.
It's not her. It's
Yeah.
a girl that looks exactly like her.
Okay.
And I'm just like, how is this fair?
Yeah.
Like, there could only be one, yo.
Yo, come
how
on.
Jennifer Lawrence feels now. Like,
Come on.
She got to see this.
We can't cook at the same time as Kevin Hart. But I can have
Exactly.
Jennifer Lawrence and Megan Lawrence and fucking this other joint and like this. Come on.
I know Jennifer Lawrence was punch the screen like, what the fuck? I
What
ain't
the
make
fuck?
this movie.
I made Joy, you fucking assholes. I won a fucking Oscar.
Did
You know
she
how many
win a-
great movies I was in?
She won a movie for Joy?
Yeah. I won for that. And I say fuck at press conferences. And I do this. I do the middle finger bird.
Oh.
I do that. So I'm
All right, so get out of here.
I'm
I
a
forgot-
badass.
I forgot she's annoying. Get out of here.
Yeah, she's
Give this new girl a chance.
She's
then.
mad annoying, bro.
Jennifer Lawrence is out the paint.
I actually hit her with the wild, actually that like blew up in my face because there was a movie about like Fidel Castro's lover or like Che Guevara's lover or some shit like that, and they tapped her to play it, and I'm like, yo, this is what I'm talking about, yo. Y'all can't get a real Latina to play this part. Y'all gotta get fucking Jennifer Lawrence. Y'all should have got Jennifer Lopez. What the fuck is this? Whatever. And then somebody's like, actually, she was German. I was like, fuck you, nigga. But I'm saying, who cares?
Oh man. Oh man. So the fake Jennifer Lawrence is Haley Bennett. So
Haley Bennett. Shout out to Haley
cook
Bennett.
Haley Bennett. Get this one out of here and become the
but
new annoying white girl.
Google Emily Blunt and tell me they don't look.
Emily.
like-
Oh wow. Emily Blunt is in this movie.
Yeah, see?
I didn't know that. I have no idea who this chick was.
See?
Shout to her.
Shout to
she
you.
played a she's very good in the movie.
Yeah?
I was impressed, and I'm
She's
not
good, she's
often
good.
impressed by like movies
Actors?
and shit
Okay.
that don't involve guns
Yeah, same.
and subtitles.
Right.
And
I need, like,
DMX.
DMX.
And
Shout out
Jamaica.
DMX. Oh man, Jamaica. You're getting very specific right now.
I'm basically describing
the belly niche, the belly genre.
If it ain't belly, it ain't good. I judge all my movies off belly. I was sitting in that movie theater like, it better be a fucker. Yo, is it not like they're not going to Jamaica?
They're not like. Are they gonna do something weird with like the eyeballs? Like they're gonna
No,
wear
is
contacts?
Method Man in this?
No,
No?
the guy eating a banana.
T-Boz?
No.
No? Back to life. Back to...
That
No?
was such a dope opening scene.
Yeah.
Like not being in entertainment and seeing visually and seeing like being behind the camera and all that, you appreciate shit like that because I'm like, damn, that looks so ill. You know what I mean?
Emily Blunt was in The Devil Wears Prada?
Mhm.
Wow.
She's in mad shit.
I saw that movie. A young lady invited me over to watch it at her house.
Yeah, that's the Toppy movie.
And I was like, you know what time was? Yo, she lived in Washington Heights, and the trains were doing some sort of construction,
Right.
and it was like I had to take a shuttle bus, but I had picked up like the wild bottle of like wine because I'm classy.
Classy,
and
real
I was
classy.
like, yo, we come. She was like, yo, come watch the movie. I was like, yo, we can watch it. I didn't realize she specifically said, come watch The Devil Wears Prada with me.
Okay.
Which is two different things. Because when I got to her house and I was like, yo, say it's go time, get the essential oils, I'm gonna take my shirt off, give you a massage and shit. No, like I'm trying to like lean in and she's like, what are you doing? And I was like,
I'm trying to like.
she's like, no, this is my favorite movie. Like I don't let anything interrupt me while I watch this movie. And I was like,
What?
and she was
It's
like, I
like-
wanted to watch the movie with you because I like it and I wanted you to like it too. So we sat there and we watched it.
Okay. You didn't tell her. You know what I'm saying? I didn't come to watch this movie. I can't give you this long dick. Yeah.
No, because I was genuinely confused and then I was drinking the wine. And I was
You know what's funny?
just got mad and I left. So
That like the same thing. What year did that movie come out?
that was in 06.
Oh,
Damn, that was a long time ago. That was 10 years ago.
Yeah, because I was saying, I was like, I went to a girl's house and I was like, it wasn't Heather. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, that was a minute ago. Yeah, because the same thing happened to me. I feel like I went there. To me, that's like, yo, that's a fake movie. Like, yo,
Right.
just come to my crib. Like, we're gonna smash. Like, I'm gonna just throw this on in the background. I thought that was the case, but apparently
Nah.
Anne Hathaway
Every now and then you'll
had
do
a
it.
tour
and
de force performance.
You go to the girl's house and find out she's the wild film student.
Oh man,
I love film. I love movies.
I actually watched the
Look at the
movie.
cinematography.
I watched the movie Garden State for that same reason.
Oh, wow.
With fucking Zach Braff.
I remember that.
Yeah.
Damn.
I watched that
did not
whole
look like a
shit.
fun movie.
Yeah, it was not fun at
What's the
all.
worst movie you ever seen?
Worst movie I ever seen? Yo, that M. Night Shyamalan movie with the fucking... That was wild anticlimactic. Like, niggas was walking out of the movie
That's
theater.
like all of them.
Yeah.
You gotta be more. Now you gotta be more specific.
I think it was The Village.
Oh, and like they were like in the cornfield or some shit wearing red. I have not.
my
I don't think I've
God.
ever seen an M Night Shyamalan movie.
Bruh, I fell asleep twice and then got
Damn.
up and bounced.
Damn.
I was like, this shit is whack.
I've never walked out of a movie theater, but The Matrix 3 was so bad I had to go to the bathroom. And usually in the movies you'd be like, I can hold it. I was like, nah, fuck
Fuck
it. I'm
this.
not,
I
I was
was
like,
okay. I'll come
I was like,
back.
I gotta lose.
That's
I'm
whatever.
not gonna lose anything here.
Yeah. Also,
This.
I was very disappointed. I went to see Captain America, the first joint,
Yeah.
in IMAX because I was like, yeah, I just want to get smacked. I'd never seen a 3D movie, so I was like, I just want to get wild smacked to go see a 3D movie. What better movie to see in 3D than Captain America? Because I'm just thinking this nigga's gonna be throwing a shield. It's gonna be mad like, whoa, you know? Shit was whack. I went there mad fucking high, and I was like, yo, I saw like 2 3D racks. I was like, that shit was lame. I paid $20-something for this.
When we make our movie, we're gonna make it 3D, and we're gonna have
Gotta
like,
be wild 3D.
and gonna be like mad unnecessary 3D. and
Hell
shit.
yeah.
Like, we're throwing rocks
like
at
my
the
dick
audience
just
and
comes
shit.
out wild 3D.
Just everyone in the audience like, whoa,
Whoa!
whoa,
Swag alert!
watch out for the foreskin. Just mad unnecessary, just 3D like pouring like titties popping out and shit.
Yo, like, yo, why you doing this? Yeah, this didn't need to be an IMAX.
I'm just swinging around the Bex and his drops getting on the audience and shit like, oh, whoa, bro, shit, brother Poncho.
It's like a Gallagher experience.
Welcome to the Desus and Mero effect at Epcot
Yo.
Center.
Wasn't Kanye saying he was going to do that, like a 7-screen immersive experience
Yeah.
movie? We got to beat him to the punch.
No, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a movie theater, but instead of like seats, you get mattresses.
Oh.
So and the movie screens are on the roof,
Oh.
so people were like laying on
Lay
their
down
backs.
and be... Oh,
I feel like that's not safe. I feel like people are gonna get touched inappropriately.
yeah, people might end up smashing.
but- No,
in the
you can
theater.
smash. That's the
Oh,
whole thing.
smash is
Yeah.
cool? Oh, that's lit.
It's based off of porn I saw, and it was like 100 Japanese couples all having sex in an auditorium.
Oh, shit.
Google that.
That is the weirdest shit I've ever fucking heard.
It was not like fun porn. It was like, what the fuck is it?
Like
it was
National
yo,
Geographic,
It
like-
was like, Joe, Japan, what's really good?
What's good with
What's
y'all?
really- like every time I'm like, yo,
Have you been to Japan?
I've never been.
I've never been. Me neither. We got to go. Bodega Boys in Japan. Let's get it.
Yes.
We got to go over there. I heard they sell panties in a vending machine.
Yeah.
For dudes, though. Like
Yeah.
for dudes to buy and like smell. Not like you
Yeah.
wear these
No,
replacement panties.
I mean, if that's how you want to get your pants, if you don't want to just steal them at the laundromat like I do, should have left your empty dryer alone.
Ah, it's dirty Jesus on the
Dirty
prowl.
Dang, Jesus. Stealing and sniffing your thongs.
Oh my
What if
God.
I start stealing panties and get arrested? You find out like I have a Tumblr of just like me reviewing stolen panties from the laundromat.
I mean, you could Eurostep that because look at fucking Rex Ryan. Remember
Well,
Rex
it's
Ryan when he
true.
pulled up? He's like, oh, you have beautiful toes. Straight perv mode. Like,
I think toes, like
Toes
being
and
the toe
panties?
thing is one
What-
thing, but like stealing panties, that's like a
Yeah.
theft. That's a violation.
yeah, it is a violation. I mean, stealing. But are you stealing? I mean, yeah, well, if you're stealing them.
Like from the laundromat.
But you're popping out like, yo, girls can just send you panties. Yo, send your used panties to Red Bull Studios for Jesus. Not for me.
I'll just imagine it. Like I'll come in next week.
We're going to have used panties next week. I guarantee you. The
just-
brand is fucking brolic.
Just
I'm
the
telling
wild
you.
granny drawers. And I'm just like,
You're going to smell them on the
I'm
air.
smelling them on the air. Take a face full of it. Like
The Choach sommelier.
I detect a subtle hint of adobo.
Oh, shit. I'm going to cleanse my palate with this gelato and I'll be back.
Damn, they really trying to get Ken Bone out the paint off this thing.
I mean,
You want him out the paint, but not off this. Is it?
I feel bad. You know what
he
it is?
shouldn't even be in like all.
he shouldn't be in the paint.
Right.
He shouldn't be in the paint to begin with. But like you feel bad for him because he's like a fat nerd.
Yeah.
Like those are the people you see getting washed. You're like, damn, yo, why yo, chill. Like,
Like,
why,
let him
yo,
cook,
let him live.
Let him wear his little red sweater, sell his t-shirts
I
and
mean,
stuff.
yeah, nigga. Chewbacca mom still is done, right?
No, I think she's like she does autograph signings or something. like that.
Well, I mean, she tapered off. Like nobody's talking about her anymore. Let this nigga get his 15 and cash out a little bit. That's what America's
that's
for.
American dream now.
Yeah,
Oh, she has a book. No,
the American meme.
no, she did not. And then Candace Payne, she threw out a pitch in July. I don't know
course
what
she
happened to
did.
her since then.
Where'd you throw at what baseball
It's a
team?
baseball game. It doesn't matter if it's not the Yankees.
Oh yeah, was it? It's true. It's true because I can't even tell you who's in the playoffs right now. I know the Red Sox are out. I was waiting. I was watching the Red Sox.
This what they were like the Cubs and so. I was like,
Don't care.
don't care.
No New York teams. Don't care.
Yankees only count the rings. 27, bro.
Count them.
Count them. Lou Gehrig.
You know what I'm saying?
Babe Ruth.
You know what I'm saying?
Joe DiMaggio.
Babe Ruth is Dominican.
That's a okay. We need 30 for 30 of you proving that.
Babe Ruth is Dominican. Yo, look at all the pictures. Look at him. And he liked to drink. He liked to eat chicharrón. You know what I'm saying? That's documented. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you.
I don't.
Oh, yeah.
Where is that documented at?
It's documented in Univision. He was on Sábado de Gigante. He was on one of the first episodes, and he was speaking Spanish. That footage is out there for y'all. Google it.
Okay.
What?
You said it with conviction, so
You know
I'm
what I'm
gonna
saying?
let you cook
Yeah,
on
I'm
your
a Babe Ruth. I'm a Babe Truther.
Babe Truther.
Babe Truther.
A Babe Ruth Truther.
You know what I'm saying? Babe Ruth.
Also, Babe
It's like a
Ruth.
fucking improv game. Babe Ruth Truther. Babe Ruth Truther. Babe Ruth Truther. Babe Ruth Truther. Go.
You know I suck at
Fuck
improv. Game. You know I suck at improv. No, I think don't we do improv? We're not doing it this episode.
No. Well, it's not really. That's not improv.
What you want for free, brother?
Come on.
No more free, Randy.
Nah, we don't do improv. I feel like
Nah, we don't do improv.
when I think improv, I think about like two white dudes fake pouring each other a drink and being like, hey, who am I to the audience? And the audience is like, you're a dishwasher. Oh, great. I'm a dishwasher. Who am I? You're a Jamaican diplomat. Great. And then it's just like a white guy doing a terrible accent.
Okay, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
hey,
man.
Would you like me to wash your dishes, Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Okay, man. Wow, you have a lot of dishes over there.
Yeah, I'm washing them all. Look at that. Here, would you like to hold it? Oops, dropped it.
Oh no, you giving me too many dishes to carry.
Oh, all right, don't be careful. Oh, don't. There's a
they're
banana peel
soapy.
over there. Be careful.
Watch out, man.
Oh,
No, mercy.
kerplonk. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, sold out UCB. Yeah, woo, yeah. Yo, there goes your fucking improv for the episode.
Oh.
Ungrateful bastards.
What's wrong with you? Why you're so dark and aggressive today? You're so dark and aggressive.
We smoked the Dutch. That's why. I've been smoking regular papers. I was smoking
You know
Dutch.
what?
It took me back to the essence of the hood.
Smoking Dutches and drinking Hennessy puts the soul of us runaway slaves in you.
It's true.
It's true.
It's true. If you grew up in the hood and you leave the hood and move to a suburban area, which is why I'm already giving my kids Hennessy, because like I need them to remember, like, yo, we were in the Bronx.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we are Bronx children. My kid is in a public school. You know what I'm saying? That's wild, potentially dangerous. You know what I'm saying? So understand. You know what I mean?
Understand, it's real out here.
Just keep it real inside.
Shit's
yourself.
real, like Mike
I mean,
Geronimo said almost 20 years ago, right?
20, damn, Mike Geronimo. Remember
Shit's
when he was on
real.
that fucking like the fucking Real Sex or some shit like that?
He was on an MTV show with his at the time fiance. Her name was Milky.
Milky.
They broke up. They did
broke
not
up?
get.
No.
married.
Shout out to Milky.
It was a good. It was a good episode though.
Is Milky on Twitter?
Probably.
Yo, hi, find Milky.
Find Milky. Mike Geronimo's ex. She's like, I've moved on. Please do not bring
Please
that
do not
nigga
find
up.
me. It's just like a fucking real estate agent in Vermont and shit.
He's like,
she's
I
married to
moved
like a
away.
white dude.
Milky. I haven't heard that name in years.
You just go up to her door like ding dong. She was doing like her husband's like a white nigga named Gerald.
She's like, hi, can I help you? Hi, we're looking for Milky. Mike Geronimo's ex? Mike Geronimo from Cash Money Click with Ja Rule in Queens.
My name is Shonda.
He had the song Shit's Real.
I'm Shonda. No,
I stay high.
I don't know.
You stay
Y'all
high.
gotta leave right now. Y'all gotta leave right now. I came up. Don't fuck my money up.
Milky.
Shout out to Milky.
Damn. Mike Geronimo.
Mike Geronimo, dog.
The Natural, dog.
Yeah, that was a good album.
That was a great album.
You know what I'm saying?
He was acquainted with Irv Gotti of Murder Inc.
Yeah. Yo, there's a lot of like dudes that had albums in the 90s that were like dope, but you never heard of them. Royal Flush had a fire album.
Ice Down Medallions
You know
was
what I'm saying?
a banger.
It was a joint.
Man, shout out to Nori.
You
He
know
was
what I mean?
on it.
Worldwide, also another banger. You know what I'm saying? Who else had joints? There's some joints I had. 90s hip hop.
90s hip hop. This is a 90 hip hop podcast here on XM Radio.
XM Radio.
It's your boy Scooby Doo Weebob. Desus Nice.
Yeah, and I'm the Magic Mr. Mero.
For the next hour, we'll be backpacking and backspinning from the 90s.
Yeah. Get ready to backspin like a motherfucker.
Coming up next, I have a rare B-side. It's Biggest Smalls Juicy.
Oh,
Baby.
rare B-side.
Listen, these kids don't know. These kids don't. They don't want real hip hop. You know, I don't want that real hip hop. You want me to throw on some company flow?
Yo, little Funk Crusher.
Little Front Crusher Plus.
Got shit on vinyl, nigga.
Okay. Little cannibal ox.
Damn, remember when that whole movement was straight fire? Like
Right.
the olive green rap?
Def Jux.
Def Jux,
Huh?
nigga, out
Yeah.
here. You know what I'm saying? Raucous Records.
Shout out to my man LP.
Sound bombing.
Sound Bombing 2 and 3.
I got all that shit on CD,
Right.
FYI.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't got that on vinyl?
I have to leave this podcast. I have to go pick up vinyl at Fat Beats over
That's
on West
right.
4th.
Know what I mean?
Real vinyl.
Real
dog.
vinyl, nigga.
Rest in peace, Fat Beats, man.
Damn, RIP Fabbies.
Me and G Steel, shout out to G Steel. We used to cut school.
Hey.
We go to Fat Beats and then we go to Papayas.
Oh, shit.
And we were wild annoying because I had to go to work at the library at 1 o'clock because you know me have many jobs.
Many jobs.
So Fat Beats would be like, yo, they're opening at 12. So at like 11:50,
Yeah.
we'd be like,
Yo, it was good.
but if you work at a record store, you're like, yo, calm down,
Calm
nigga.
down,
Like,
nigga.
what the
Like,
fuck?
yo.
Like 12 means like 12:30. Let me
Yo,
spark this Dutch.
The white label's gonna be here, man.
I'll be like, yo, could we get in? Could we get in, like, study some hip hop, bro?
Come on, yo, come on. Study some hip hop.
Get in there.
Damn.
Yo, dog, do you have this? Do you have the DJ Premier samples?
Yo, shout out to Scratch Academy too for the same exact reason, like of being like wild hip hop shit. You ever been there? It's like the fucking Jam Master Jay started this shit. It was on Broadway Lafayette.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's for people who have to have other people teach them how to DJ.
Yeah, no, but it was wild.
No, I taught myself how to DJ using
By
a
yourself.
Gemini BD10 that had a quarter on the turntable, and that's how I learned to scratch because I used my father's turntable
Okay.
to scratch, and he scratched my ass.
Oh,
He
yes,
said,
you cannot
if
do
you ever
that.
touch my turntable again, I will break your hand.
Wow.
That was an exact quote. So I saved up my money, and I went to a appliance and record store on Fordham Road
respect
by the
that.
name of Beat Street.
Oh shit, shout out to B Street.
And I
Yo,
bought
was
a
that
turntable.
what was the name of this shit? And I never remember. It was like you walk downstairs and that's where all the records and the vinyl shit was, and then you walk upstairs and it was like electronics.
Beat Street.
It was B Street.
It was B Street.
Shout out to B Street.
B Street had turntables, vinyl, and jewelry.
Yep.
All right. That's where I bought a young lady whose name I won't put on blast right now.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
bought her a Mickey Mouse chain,
Oh shit.
and she tried to front on me.
Yeah.
I had to come to
Why
her
she
high
in the front?
school
She shouldn't have fronted.
because she had a secret boyfriend.
Also, those stairs had many Mero tags because if you remember, if you walk down the stairs, when you walk on the way up, you could see the front of the stair.
Yeah.
So I used to just stand there and bust tags on that shit. Man, reckless.
Look at you.
After I stole fucking Black Star on vinyl.
Oh, reflection
You
eternal.
know what I'm saying?
That's so conflicting. You still like Black Star on vinyl? Damn.
I stole Black Star, Love Movement, and something else that came out that same day.
What were you, like a boho thief?
No, it was those two, and then something else was it big? It wasn't.
What
Was
are
it
you,
the
raiding
reunion?
dorms
No,
at
it was
Hillman College?
I know it was Mad Boho Hip Hop, but then one of them was like CNN the reunion. I think it was because they all came out the same year.
Okay.
So yeah, so I was like, I had my ghoul rap on deck. You know what I'm saying?
You had your dead prez,
know what I'm
love
saying?
rap, you know
Oh,
what I'm
yeah,
saying?
come
When
on.
Shorty come through with the head rap,
Come on.
you gonna go on the futon, eat a
what's crazy?
crouton.
And this is a hot take. It's gonna upset mad of the
Here we
OK
go.
player Jay Dilla heads.
Here we go. Here
When
we
I
go.
went home,
I'm waiting.
I went home and I threw on the Love Movement, and I was like, damn, this shit is whack. I was like, who produced this shit? I was like, yo, Jay Dilla. I was like, damn. R.I.P. Jay Dilla, you got fire. The catalog is serious. You're a legend. Love Movement was not popping. Sorry. And I'm a huge Tribe stan. R.I.P. Fight Forever.
I can't even fix my face.
Like, yo, I love y'all.
Questlove is going to fuck you up. He is going to beat on you with a pair of drumsticks. Like,
Yo.
you are going to get stomped out at Donuts forever.
Listen. Shout out to Dylan the Donuts. Yo, you are a legend, fam. R.I.P. forever. Love Movement was whack.
Mad people listening right now.
Yeah, y'all can be
Mad
tight.
people who used to rock at Black Lily.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you're a band from Philly. You band from Detroit. Oh, House Shoes gonna visit you?
No, he's still no. Listen, don't get it fucked up. Jay Dillon's a legend, bro.
Yo.
The catalog is serious, but Love Movement was whack.
Yo, the boho problematic light is on. To the piece of Nat Champa.
Yo, but you know what's crazy? That album was whack to me, but I was so happy that I boosted the Black Star album the same day because that album to me was fucking fire.
That was a
You know
great
what I'm saying?
album.
It was a great album.
That was a great
You know
album.
what I'm saying? Brown's getting lit it. Yo, there's a breakdown at the end of that song that's so fire. Woo.
Yo, Most Def, man. Most Def
Nothing
had
was
some
up.
fire
He
albums.
had fire. And then he,
fire.
like Chappelle, bro, he lost it and bounced to Africa.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I can't wait.
No, it's actually not gonna be good for you because our contract says we both have to be there for the show, and I'm gonna like bounce probably like after the 25th show.
Oh, shit. To Africa? They have to go to Africa and shoot the show in
Nah, I'm
Africa?
trying to just go to Jamaica.
Jamaica? Yeah.
I'm gonna go find myself at a Sandals resort.
I'm not even mad. I'll go to Jamaica and shoot the show all day. Let's do it.
No, we're not shooting the show. I'm not working anymore.
I don't care. I'll follow you around with cameras.
I'll be like, no.
I'm like, we doing this show. I got the mic pack on you and shit. Like, yo, I'm doing your makeup.
I'm not doing it anymore. People, I don't like who was laughing at the joke. They're like, who was laughing at the joke? I was like, Nick Weidenfeld and Eric were laughing at jokes. They were not funny.
But they fuck with you. They're fans.
They were laughing
They love you.
at Mero's Dilla jokes, and that's where I left the show. That's where I drew the line in the sand.
Damn, Dilla fucked up another group.
Wow!
Oh, chill. Now stop. Now see, now you're making me pull up for 50. You're putting me in these positions. This nigga's dribbling into the paint. I'm open for 3, and he kicks the ball out and expects me not to shoot. I gotta pull up.
Yo, Erica Badu's waiting for us naked outside. She's gonna throw you. She's gonna give you the hands.
Yo.
Oh wow,
shit.
wow, the bow style.
But I'm gonna get jumped by something. I can never go to Makosa. I gotta go there with a fake mustache on.
Fake dress.
Fake dress.
Oh man,
niggas like, oh shit, Damian Marley's here.
No, Mero, why are you like this? Why?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Did you fuck with the Love Movement? Keep it on it. Did you like the album?
No.
Nobody did.
What was that? But they had a couple of joints. It
had a joint or two, like-
that was on there, right?
Yeah,
it
was
had some
alright.
joints. No, I'm not gonna slander the whole album. I mean,
No, definitely it's Tribe.
It wasn't
At the end of
what
the
I
day.
expected from Tribe at
Right,
the time.
exactly.
That's it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Plus, at that time, I was more into like that real hood rap shit,
wild,
you know
yeah.
what I'm saying?
I was doing both. I was doing like a little
crack in your
boho.
butt rap.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? Wild, actually. Probably like shout out because we were talking about Mos Def. Major shout out to Mos Def because if it wasn't for Mos Def, I wouldn't have fucked with boho rap at all.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because like I heard him freestyling on the halftime show. You know what I'm saying? WNYU
89.1.
89.1. And I was like, yo, who is this? And he did he was freestyling. Then they dropped the Ultramagnetic or some shit like that. Some shit. Ill. And then I was like, yo, who is this guy? And I found out whatever. And then I got into Black Star and shit. You know what I mean?
If you want to be in your feelings, Mos Def has a song called "The Beggar." Dog,
It's mad emotion.
it's a wild thing.
Yeah,
Let's talk
come
about
on,
a
bro.
chick
Come on, man.
called. Just played out. Do chicks still have voicemail? Nah,
Probably not. But
you
we
can leave
bring
her
it
a
back.
voice note on the iPhone. Right?
True. Yeah. That's the
You know
new
what I'm saying?
voicemail.
There you go.
That's low key creepy because like I've had people talk to me on the phone when we're texting. I'm like, I'm texting you because I don't want to speak to you.
No, you can leave the
Like-
voice note. The iMessage gives you a lot of ways to be annoying. You could send you could send the balloons. You could send like the jump shit.
Oh shit, that's right.
Yeah.
Shout out to that.
You gotta use your.
You could be
options
mad
here.
obnoxious out here in
You
the
could be
streets.
very annoying. You can make the whole screen flash. Like, why are you ignoring me?
Yo.
Like, read receipts is like that's the minimum now.
Oh, it's funny because like I was just thinking about that and I just remembered WhatsApp does the same thing. So I get messages like this.
Sí, ese huracán entró a Haití, pero estamos bien nosotros, gracias a Dios. Aquí nada más.
I'm like, yo, it's my mom. Nigga. I'm like, yo. She's like, yo, because when the hurricane hit Haiti,
Right.
I was like, yo, it's gonna go across. It's gonna fuck up the whole island. So I'm like, yo, I call my mom. So I was like, yo, y'all good? And she's like, yeah, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit fuck Haiti up, but be all right. Like it's cool. Like it's raining a lot. I was like, yo,
Talk to your moms.
but
Have
they
your
don't
mom-
give a fuck.
Make your moms come on the show next week. How long is she up here?
She'll be like, nah. She'll be like, I'm too busy. I'll be like, what are you busy doing, mom? She's like, well, I gotta watch novellas, and I also have to sit in the house with my slippers on and pretend to be cleaning.
Oh wow! So your mother and my mother have the same schedule. when
Yeah,
visit.
they have the same schedule
I love. My mother will wake up at like 7 a.m. Like yo,
to clean
and then like at 9, I'm tired. I'm just gonna sit here and watch TV. I'm like,
all day. Like,
I just come out and like turn over the frying pan. I'm like, it's nobody.
where's the food?
Nobody
Come
gonna
with that.
cook this.
Yeah. My mom will suck her teeth at me. My mom won't automatically make food anymore because she does make food, but now I gotta request it. Before
Yeah.
it used to just be made. Now I just gotta be like, Ma, could you like, you know what I'm saying? And she'll be like, let me see. It's front, like she don't got 30 plátanos under the sink and shit.
On deck.
On deck.
Just in case of an emergency.
You know what I mean?
Oh
Yeah,
man.
we're here.
No, my mother's gonna come and she's gonna shop at what's Aldo? Is it the place where my father gets a knockoff beer? Aldi. Yeah.
Aldi.
They just be getting shit that's like it's like yo, shit is good enough.
Good. Yeah.
Shit ain't bad.
Why do they always go to these supermarkets?
I'm like, where'd you find this
What would
place?
you think? Shout out to Food Bazaar. You know what I'm saying? On 174th Street, which for some strange reason my mom will drive out of her way to go there. I don't know, maybe because it feels like a developing nation when you walk in. Nigga, all the vegetables is just all out, mad flies everywhere. I'm like, Ma, She's like, they have the best avocados here. That's what I get it. The aguacate is best here.
No, my mother's like, do you have the tote bags? I'm like, oh God. Because Audi doesn't have shopping bags. Or
Yeah, you gotta use yours.
I was like, are we doing this? Why are we doing this? I forgot I was somewhere else, and they were like, "Yo, like we really encourage you not using plastic bags. You gotta pay extra for them." I was like, if you don't open all them plastic bags, I was like, "Fuck Mother Earth, taking them."
Yeah, I'm like, are you crazy? Yo, I was at the fucking shit. Shorty tried to put 3 containers of like liquid, like big shits, into a fucking 1 plastic bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're bugging. Fuck out of here. Fuck the environment, nigga. Global warming's fake.
Fuck Mother Earth. That's how we're speaking out here.
That's right. On that note,
fuck Mother Earth and fuck him bone.
It's okay, bro.
All right?
Get him out of here.
It's your favorite art.
That's
Too
right.
good to be listed
That's
on
right.
anybody's little list
That's
about
right.
podcasts.
Fuck it.
Respect me, dog.
Respect. You think I'm a fucking idiot?
It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle,
That's
aka
right.
Stay Phallic Terrio, aka Kiss That's Personally Dick, aka Eli Let Be, aka
That's right.
Puchos Gullies, aka So But I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young
What?
Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Arando, 1994,
That's right.
Mikhail Going Off, the Juve Boss, MC Little Gunga P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka
right.
Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool. I don't know you, nigga. The original word, +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son.
Do not.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Dinas Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa.
Oh my God.
Young Shakunery out the coonery, aka Chili Lamone, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
My
Okay. Call me the 11th letter when I come through with the L.
That's
Mr.
right.
La Marina, Mess Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. Aka your problematic baby. Mwah.
Yo, what's good, man? About to get the fuck up out of here. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag Fuck Nigga, aka Curve Gotti. Rico Sabroso, Ben Smack Biombo, Field the Ass Tyson, Skirt Loader, you know what I'm saying? This plantain supernova in the sky. You feel me? The Dominican Dandana. Yo, listen to me. If I go into your crib and you don't have benzo opiates in your medicine cabinet, I'm out. Holla.
Yo, October 17th, Monday.
That's right.
Our show launches, Vice
It's
Land.
coming.
Watch it. Get the visual art. If you don't catch it Monday, catch it Tuesday. If you don't catch it Tuesday, catch it Wednesday. If you don't catch it Wednesday, catch it Thursday. If you don't catch it Thursday, you can't catch it Friday. Watch
That's
because
right.
the art's going to drop again.
That's right.
Till then, suckers, we'll see you, wingdings.
Holla.
We out.
Estamos haciendo cocote.